this section we're going to be talking about network drivers. The first video will be on find and create network drivers. The second video will be become more experienced with setup. We're going to be looking at the Ubuntu setups. And the third video will be about testing network configuration. The fourth video will be testing overall networks. We're going to be seeing if our driver actually works. Now, the last video will be saving the best configuration. Now, we're going to find and create a network driver. And on my Linux, I already have a script or a code for our first Ethernet driver. Computer operating systems are able to support network drivers via software known as network driver. Now, network drivers are actually what you need in order to connect your computer to any network. Now, let's head straight to terminal. Now, let me become a super user. Say, go ahead and type in your password. Clear that. Now, on our list over here, let me just increase this a little bit so that you can see it very well. Alright, we have on our download over here already built the module for our script, but we're going to be checking our script first. Now, to check our script, let's just go right ahead and open this particular first script and then see what's inside this script in .c. Alright, here we are. Your VLC actually has a particular zoom in option, and you can zoom in and view this code very well. The first one we dealt with the include Linux init, as you can recall in a previous section, and we have the static struct. Now, this will be the beginning of our driver, and this will be the exit to our driver. Now, we started with the int and instant ID equals to 0, and we included our fake Ethernet driver in here. Now, over here we have the name of the author, and we have the license over here. Now, for the module, this first module works with this first module, which is the init fake Ethernet driver, and the last one stands for the exit. So now we're going to be saving this. Let us exit this. And the second one, the first script we saw, this one that we just opened, actually works directly with this, but this is the main fake driver over here, but this actually works as the connection towards it. Now, what we're going to be doing is, let me just explain it a lot more better. Now, the first module is our fake Ethernet driver. The second one is used to create a platform device that matches our first module. Now, this way, one can avoid updating device tree. Now, let us check this other one, .c. Alright, here we are. We have the same list of code in the previous one I showed you. Don't forget to view this code if you're using a VLC. Make sure you zoom in into this particular program when you download this script, when you download it. Alright, here we are. Remember, we have the first static that links it directly to the first module. Here we are, the module platform driver. Make sure you go through this script and make sure you type out yours. I am going to be saving this. I'm going to be uploading this recording video so that you can actually take a look at this script, because I can't zoom in with this particular text editor. So let me just save this script. Let us save this script. Let us open the script again. I hope you can see it very well. Now I'm going to be saving this script for you guys. So save it, then exit. Now what we're going to be doing is to build. Remember, in our previous module we built our modules. Now to do that, you can just say, you can check your makefile, or you create a makefile. Now you just do gedit your makefile. Here we are with our makefile. We have the first object -m, and we have the fake, the second fake one, and the followed by the first Ethernet that actually combine them together. The next one is all default modules, and this will actually give us the opportunity to make sure driver actually merges with our network over here. When I run this script, you're going to see the changes. Alright, let me just save this. Let me just save this and exit. Now what we are going to be doing now is to make the script. Now to do that, you say mk make. This will go right ahead and make this, merge them together. Alright, that is done. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the start mode. That is, after making and building this particular script, what we're going to do now is to message our kernel. Now, to message our kernel so that our internet adapter will actually make changes, or our driver will be merged into our main operating system. So now to do that, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using the insert mode and the name of the second fake ethernet.ko, then enter. That is inserted. Now let's check the DMESG. This will go right ahead, input and that disabled. The next thing we're going to do now is using the RM mod with the fake one, that's KO, then enter. Now let's check the message again. So that is done, input and that disabled. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be using it for the fake Ethernet. The main Ethernet, we're going to be connecting with our main Ethernet. So to do that, we can just see start mode, fake internet.ko, then enter. So that is done. So the next thing we're going to do is the message it and check it. Alright, that is done. The next thing we're going to be doing is using the RM mod and the fake ethernet.ko, then enter. Now let's demessage it again. That is done. Fake, as you can see, fake ethernet added to, this will be added to our particular one over here. The changes didn't. Just go ahead and try this out. When you try this out, it's going to change. When you try that out, it will make changes to your Ethernet over here. Your wired connection will be different. It will be the name of the Ethernet connection, and the fake internet connection will also display on this particular bar over here. I don't know why mine is giving me a little bit of issue. Maybe because I restarted the system. That should be the issue. Or let me just give it a try all over again. Let me say insert mode, then insert mode, let's say fake ethernet, and enter. Message, then enter. Alright, as you can see, that was done. So that's how to actually add your fake driver. As you can see, our fake driver is live on our Linux system.